How do you feel about on that going up that hill? What's that? You got plenty of weight in the front. We'll give it a shot if it's okay. There's a branch that's kind of gets in your face, but oh yeah. How's she looking, boys? Oh, it's a little rough.
Yeah.
Holy shit, rut it out. Yeah. Shit.
Yeah, we tried coming up that side trail over there.
Over here?
Right here.
Oh, this one? Yeah, that comes around there.
As soon as it gets steep, it's just completely washed out.
Yeah, we went down that earlier this year, but that one, I don't know. You guys will be on the YouTube channel here.
Oh.
Enduro Cowboys. Check it out. We do dumb shit on dirt bikes. That's our yeah. Yeah. I'll check and see how bad it is. Yeah, she's pretty sketched out there, boys. John's contemplating, are you gonna give me some good footage for the YouTube channel? Yeah. You might want to put the old plastics on.
I was gonna do that just for the first year.
I mean, you could make it up to that. You could make it up to that. Well, once like in the middle, but then it just bombs out so bad. It's either that or get a run high on the left side, and when you get to that, just bam to the right and high side it. But that's those are pro moves. It's above my pay grade. Oh, that's deep. I don't think you want to go, don't go on that side. Yeah, that's not too bad. There's a little bit of a dippity-doo there, but that's, yeah, it's not bad. Just give her a crease. It's not that bad. It's just that it's not bad. Give him a little room there, Jason. Yeah, Mike. Yeah! Yoo-hoo! Hey, Jason. Did I ever tell you that I love riding dirt bikes? Whoop, sorry. Sorry, bro. Oh, yep, there's already a tree down here. she's grown over a lot, boys. Wow. Wow. A lot of branches and shit. Yeah, if we want to do this much, we got to come back with the clippers. You and Mike both, right? One after the other. Was that great? There's a nice jump back here. Oh. Woo! Oh, geez. So far, I mean, it's not too bad. It's not that bad. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, that works. Hey, Mike, right there. Watch. Here, I'll show you. I'll go up it. Oh yeah, it is. Never mind. Yeah, buddy. Oh, you don't want to go off there. Yeah. Yeah. I got that on tape. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. John is pro moving it, man. I'll tell you what. Yep, he gets it. All right, I got to do my little hill climb while my oh. Yeah, buddy. Oh, is that great? Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Ah. Did I? Oh yeah. It's a little slippier than it was the last time. I did an involuntary pivot turn. Is that great? Yeah, dude. Oh, this is kind of cool. Oh, we got some shitty shit up here, though. Oh, it's not that bad. Oh, wow. Check it out. This is a nice little camping spot. Oh, it ties into this other trail right here, which is the upper, this is the upper trail. Oh yeah! Oh, way down right here. Oh, it's muddy as fuck though. Oh shit! Ooh, that was close. Oh, is that sloppy? Found a little spot up here. Pregnant trees. Up it in second. Tromping through the bush. John's having so much fun on that bike. You can just tell. Don't be a scared. It's basically just take your pick, you know. Oh shit, you alright? Oh yeah. Oh. Oh no. You alright though? I think I got that on tape. Yeah. But we have bikes and we can go around anything. There's no challenge that we cannot overcome. We have the right tools for the job. All three of us now have the correct tools for the job. Woo! Yep. Hold on a second. I think I might have an issue here. Hold on. Oh yeah, I got an issue.
What's that?
I'm not gonna touch that f***ing disc. My brake seized up, my rear brake. I could tell I was dragging.
Oh yeah.
All right, brakes fixed. That's a good thing. Brakes are good. Brakes are good when you need them, but when they're on when you don't need them, it's not a good thing. As it turns out. Yeah, and I could tell because when I pulled the clutch in and tried to just coast, it was like the brakes were on. That's because they were on. That's funny because oh Jesus, there's some buried little treasures in here, boys. Sideways treasures. Yeah, the crossing still looks okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was slipping the clutch like a mofo. I think no, he didn't wipe out. I think he just kind of he lost momentum at the inopportune time. Here he comes. Yeah, buddy. Whew.
I didn't know we were on it.
Oh, she gave a little. Oh, I know. All of a sudden, it was.
Climbing up and I say, oh shit!
Yeah, yeah.
I just didn't have my shit together.
Yeah, we just went right into it.
Yeah, just
Oh, baby.
Fine, I just was like.
I was all over the place on that. It felt like I had two flat tires.
It was slippery.
Holy shit. Yeah, that's as rough as that's ever been. I don't think anybody's been up that yet this year.
That was funny. No, it was just so high that it stopped you. I suppose we could probably move those out of the way at some point. But, exactly. just bombing around the bush. Whoa, trees. Whoa! Well, I'm just... There's actually a trail here, but I think it dead ends here. Well, there's a trail down yonder I can see. Interesting. Yeah, there you are. Yeah, just come down through the woods. There's a mud bog over there. I wonder where this trail goes. Yeah, let's see. Why not? Famous last words. Yeah. Oh, there's some kakada here. Boys. Yeah, we found the mud. Do we want to go left right here? Let's check it out. Oh, it gets mucky, I think. I think we might be in for some muckada. Woo, yeah. Oh, this is the good stuff. Don't be afraid of the ruts. Be the rut. Okay, so now we're going back. Now we're headed back towards the way we came. I see it on the map. So we're just kind of making a loop around here. Yeah, we're literally going in a circle here. I think we just went in a circle. so now we got a log down here. Yeah, this is... Yeah, we did a circle. I like this. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Oh, nope, I got fucked up right off the bat. I gotta come around that rock and then hit it straight. All right, I got you, baby. I got you, baby. We're gonna hit it from right here. Woo! Yeah, baby.
Oh, dude, I got you perfect. I got you perfect. Woo! That was awesome. That was awesome.
All right, yeah, that got that out of my system now. I'm a little shaky. I'm gonna...
Yeah.
Oh, I see where we went down right here. Yeah, I guess we can do this. There's a lot of fuck right here, but... Oh. Oh, Jesus. Thank you, Mary and Jesus. That could have been real bad. Yeah, there's some sideways loggage. Just be advised. Oh yeah, you're light on the soy sauce. Light on the hoisin sauce. Oh, right here? Yeah. Oh, that's right. This is a trail. Oh yeah, he's not a beginner. He's just gonna have to go sideways into it and then kind of, or go down far enough. There you go. Oh Jesus, nice. What a deal. Oh yeah, the tower's right there. It's not that bad. Tower of power. Brrrt. Ah, yeah. Whoops. Shit. That was dumb. Please don't tell me it went into my radiator. There you go. No.
What happened?
I think I put that stick, I ran right into it. Went right into my radiator. I can't drive it, dude. I got no coolant. It's all on the ground. It's pouring out. Busted my radiator.
Oh shit. It must have already came out.
I'm gonna get it down so at least it goes out. Time for a new radiator. Nuts to butts, baby.
I know how to hold on. You may not like it, but.
All right, I'll get as far forward as I can here.
And then we'll take, I'm trying to think of the easiest way to get back to the truck.
We'll give that suspension a workout. Actually, it feels pretty good.
Wait till it gets rolling.
All right. Ready? I'll put my heels forward. I don't know if it's gonna matter, but. All right. Like I said, you can put them on the heels of my boots if you. Oh, is this thing smooth? It's smooth. Holy shit. We go down Shangri-La?